Hey everyone, this is EpicCuber7 here, and in this video we've got an unboxing from speedcube.com.au. This is one of my first unboxings because that's my birthday. I've got a couple things in here. This is a 50mm Dayan for one-handed. White Thunderclap, you'll see what I'm using that for in a future video. This is... I'm not too sure what this is. This is the Guansu. This is the YueXIao Pyramorphics. First up, another QiYi Thunderclap. Let's do first stones. This doesn't feel like my other Thunderclap that much at all. Anyway, yeah, just a Thunderclap. Already got one of those before. Right, so this is a 2x2x3 flat cube. It's pretty fun. A bit, you know, non-WCA sounding. But yeah, it's pretty nice. The YueXIao Pyramorphics is bigger than I thought it would be, honestly. Wow, that's very smooth. That's very nice, actually. Wow, this is pretty cool. Alright. Now move on to puzzles that I will use in competition. First is the... I've never actually owned a Zanchi, even though it's such an important cube to the history of cubing. This is the first one I've ever actually owned. So this is a 50mm Zanchi for one-handed. Wow, I can already feel it's very small. Right, so a bit of spring noise there. Bit dry. Wow. This is good. I experiencing a bit of lockups, which I'll have to fix. But yeah, corner cutting on the Zanchi. This is very smooth. The corners are a bit sharp though. Now is the one I'm most excited for, the YueXIao Guansu. I've heard many good things about this being not an awful 4x4. My 4x4 is awful, and I've heard many things about that also. Also wanted to get this for a while. Let's see. Wow, that's nice. Okay. It's definitely got a rather scratchy feel. Also a bit dry though. See how the inner layers are going. Yeah, great. Okay, this is... That nearly sucked awfully, that. Okay, this is really good actually. That's all I've really got for you this video. Oh, yeah, let's size compare the Zanchi. Even though the front... Don't. I don't trust this angle anymore.